Jim Cramer forecasts a generational wealth storage shift. Next on your 4-Minute Bitcoin. Today's show is from a post by Benjamin Pierce at Cointelegraph and brought to you by Unchained Capital. Jim Cramer, host of the popular CNBC market show Mad Money, described changing mindsets across generations as they relate to wealth storage. He thinks that his kids will get their inheritance and that they won't feel comfortable with gold, but that they would feel comfortable with Bitcoin. Cramer told Morgan Creek Digital co-founder Anthony Pompliano, also known as Pomp, that he has to start recognizing that maybe he's using a typewriter when talking about his possibly outdated gold storage practices. Cramer's comments came in the middle of a lengthy interview which saw the mainstream's market expert asking Pompliano a number of questions about Bitcoin. Now, a notable point around the conversation was the current economic situation in the United States given its debt and other precarious circumstances, and what assets he might hold as safe wealth storage options. Cramer said that when he goes to his inflation handbook, that it says to buy gold, to buy masterpieces, and to buy mansions, referring to hedges for folks of his generations, otherwise known as boomers, people like myself. He also subsequently included a reference to him and his wife's choice of real estate as their hedge, then stated that what they didn't have in that menu was Bitcoin. Cramer put Bitcoin and gold in the same category, saying that you have to have one or the other. Then continued by saying we're on a collision course, which makes him feel great about the gold he owns, but he does feel it's perfectly logical to add Bitcoin to that menu in light of the current economic uncertainties. Now, several days ago, Pompliano previewed the conversation with Cramer, saying he convinced the CNBC host to pick up some Bitcoin. Now, during the show, Cramer appeared okay with allocating 1% of his wealth storage to Bitcoin. So it appears another boomer is moving into Bitcoin, and this boomer has a big microphone to spread the word about Bitcoin. Let me know your thoughts, as always, in the comments. And this episode is brought to you by Unchained Capital, the world's premier Bitcoin native financial services company, delivering quality products and services for over 200,000 blocks. Visit their site at unchained-capital.com. I'm Gary Leland, the Bitcoin Boomer, and thanks for joining me on another episode of the 4-Minute Bitcoin Show. This is a BitBlockBoom.com production.